Today I have for you these silicone mason jars. Can you believe that? Silicone. So this set comes in 3 different sizes. You get the 1,000 milliliter, which is right here. You get the 1,500 right here. And then you also get the 2,000 right here. But did you know that these, they like fold down basically for easier storage? Okay. So this here is the 2,000. So we'll take a look. Got 2,000, 1,500, and 1,000 milliliters. These are also heat safe up to 230 degrees, which is super awesome because you can put hot soup, hot stew right in these without having to worry about anything like that. Leak resistant. I put a bunch of water in here and nothing is coming out. Let me show you here. No water is leaking. That was inside. There is absolutely nothing coming out. So these are resealable, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, up to 230 degrees. The compact design that folds down and easy on-off jars. Oh, I also forgot. You can label these lids. So if you got one of those chalkboard pens, label these lids pretty easily. And then I also love the see-through windows. Now I've got the white set, but these also come in gray with a little yellow handle here. You got yellow on the lid. But really, really slick design. I love them. I can't wait to use them this summer. So really, really cool product.